welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create like a Discord link to like invite people to your server that have like an infinite amount of uses. So basically you're just going to select this bit right here and select invite people. Here you are going to select friends to invite, and then you can press copy. It is hidden though because I'm on streamer mode, but you can edit invite link here and select never after, like on the expire after, so you can like put it up on your bio and people can just like click it without like asking all the time. And you can also select no limit for the max number of uses as well. I don't know what this is, but I'm just going to like generate a new link. Then I'm just going to copy that link and put that in my bio, or you can just invite them here. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!